In this video, I will show you how to schedule an email in Gmail. To get started, what you want to do is come across to your Gmail and log into your account. Now, once you've done that, to actually schedule an email to be sent at a specific time and date, all you want to do is click onto the compose button and then just go ahead and compose your email as normal. Now, once you've done that, if you come down to the bottom and instead of clicking on to send, you want to click onto the small arrow where it says more send options. Once you do this, you're going to see an option to schedule send. Give that a click and that's going to open a window like this. Now, from here, it's going to give you some default schedules that you can select. So you can select any of these, or what you can do is click on to select date and time if you want to select your own date and time for when you want to schedule the email to be sent. For example, if I want to send this on the 6th, I would select that from the calendar here and then click into the time box to set the time for this to be sent. Now, it's in 24-hour format, so if you wanted it to be sent at 2:00 p.m, I would, for example, put 1400 hours, and once you've done that, you can click the schedule send button. Now, as you can see in the bottom left hand corner, we're going to get a confirmation come up. From here, you can click to view the message, and from here, if you want, you can cancel the send or change the date and time from here as well. So that's how to schedule an email in Gmail. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Gmail and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.